In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to countdown timer in Dive Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a countdown on your page and set the title, date, hour, and minute so it's ready to go. First, open the Divi Builder for the page you're working on. If you're starting from your home page, load that page in the Builder so you can see the layout with its sections, rows, and modules. Next, identify the exact spot where you want the countdown to appear. Think about visibility and impact above the fold for a promotion, inside a hero section for an event, or near a call to action to create urgency. Once you've decided, hover your mouse over that section so the editing controls appear. Click the section to select it. This tells the builder where you plan to place the new content. When the section is active, look to the right-hand side panel. This is where you'll add and configure what goes into the section. In that right-hand panel, click on Element, then choose the option to add an element by selecting the plus sign labeled Add Element. This opens the module library so you can pick exactly what you want to insert. Use the search bar or scroll to find the countdown timer module. The search is often the fastest route. Just typing countdown should bring it right up. Click on countdown timer and the module will be added to your page in the spot you selected. You'll see a default countdown appear immediately, which means you're ready to customize it. Now look again to the right-hand side panel for the module settings. Start by editing the title. This is the text that appears above your timer, so make it clear and action-oriented, like sale ends in or webinar starts in. Keep it short so it looks clean. Next, set the date for when the countdown should end. Choose the exact day your event or offer expires. Be sure you match the format shown in the builder and double check that it aligns with the day you intend. Then set the hour and the minute. Pick the precise time your countdown should hit 0. If your audience spans multiple time zones, choose a time that works broadly, or note the time zone elsewhere on your page. Confirm whether the builder is using a 12-hour or 24-hour format so the time is accurate. That's it. You've added a countdown timer, placed it exactly where you want, and configured its title, date, hour, and minute so it's ready to drive urgency on your page.